Okay, here we go. I have run my exhaust up, up, and over and out. And I have another fan on that end up there. We'll look at it real quick. You can't see the fan really, but it's tied into the fan and the fan is blowing out. So the fan is sucking it through the pipe along with shit. There's plenty of force to do it without it, you know, but I'm putting that fan on there anyway. I want it to suck. Alright, we're going to try now and finish the dadgum grid. I want the grid, which is this thing, and as you can tell, these are multiple burns where it kept stopping because the flame regulator, and then it was rocking too much motion, which motion I hope I got solved with this little apparatus right here. I won't know, but as long as it doesn't say flame detected, I'm good. And then I'll figure out how to do all this. Anything, I'll just get a sawhorses back over here and do it again. So let's go with it. Oh hell, I didn't. Here's the process. I have to find my damn device. I need to say find laser. Wait a minute, cancel. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Remove. Remove. I keep having to do this. It's on COM5, and that's the issue because it keeps going to COM. Hey, she read that? Add device. Next. Next. Finish. Okay, now we'll press start and she'll move. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, I ain't got it on the right COM down here. Hold on. COM5 Gerbil devices. Say okay. Alright, home. Okay, good. Now why ain't it letting me? There we go. That's the reason it's got so many burns on it. So now, see my little fan burning back there? Good. I was having a flame issue right here. Of course, I was smoking in here as well, but there it is. Auto. Whatever, you know. But I'm gonna get this grid made out right here, and that way anything I set down in there on it, I can go by these lines right here. All right, y'all, peace.